My name is Puneet Sharma. I work for Micron Technology, and I'm here with Alex and excited to show you guys about Micron's latest DDR5 feature. The world today wants higher bandwidth, lower power, and higher density for the same cost. All those three magics happen right here at Micron, and our innovation team has produced a feature called DLEP. And what that feature allows you is a 15 to 25% higher bandwidth for a given density, or you could have the same bandwidth and a 10% lower. Hey, all you data center folks, you might be excited about that one. Or you could have a 6% higher capacity on DRAM for the same bandwidth and power. And this magic is called DLEP. It stands for Direct Link ECC Protocol. What it does is we have ECC redundancy in our DRAMs. And then on top of that, system designers always have their own system ECC. And just to make sure we're being efficient, we have worked and partnered and collaborated with our system OEMs and SoCs and figured out a way where we can give some of that capacity back to system, so it eventually allows for a higher bandwidth and a higher performance. And this demo here has two different same DRAMs, Micron's DDR5s, one with DLEP, one without DLEP. This one's without and with DLEP. So the demo here is on DLEP, which is Direct Link ECC Protocol. This feature is available on Micron's LPDDR5, and this feature allows any SoC to have 15 to 25% and some places 30% higher bandwidth, higher performance on either sequential read and write features. Or you can keep the same bandwidth and reduce power by 10%, or have an increased capacity by 6%. So the demo here has two sets, similar DDR5, one LPDDR5, one without DLEP and one with DLEP, and we've combined here. And the demo here, you could pick whatever density you have and run a demo. It runs on a sequential write. It'll run a compare. Now it's reading through the DRAM, and what you're seeing is without DLEP we have 7.9 gig per second, but with DLEP we have 11.9 gig per second, almost showing a 45% improvement in sequential write. That will be really awesome to go integrate to have the seamless experience in any of those applications in automotive and beyond. And similar on sequential read, you can get almost 50% improvement. Which is what has been very exciting for all the solution providers around the world who we've talked to about this. And so this has been widely adopted at this point. If you really want to use this feature, then please make sure you talk to your SoC guys and make sure it's enabled, and more power to you.